Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my Cooking with Pouncy video. Today I'm going to prepare a head of cabbage, or let's say I'm going to fry a head of cabbage. I'm going to use these uncured bacon ends which I buy at my local super shopping center. I'm just going to cut off enough to put in my cabbage. And this bacon is very meaty here. It's got some fat involved in it too. And again, I'm just slicing off what I think I'm going to want in here for this cabbage. Because I'm ready to put this in my pot. I'll be cooking that bacon off. Excuse my sniffing, it's not a cold, I've got allergies. And that's why you hear me doing that. It sounds rude, but I'm sorry about that, guys. I can hear my bacon over there sizzling. I've already washed this head of cabbage. So now I'm going to cut it in half. Here's the core of it right here. I'm going to cut it in half. Okay. Here it is right here. I'll do the same thing. I'll go a little deeper so that way it won't hang on someplace where I can't get it out of there. And you just pull it out, okay? Just got that whole half, and I'm just going to go like this. I'm going to go like this. I'm cutting them in about 1/2 inch cuts to do this. And that's how I'm going to cook it as well. And I'll lay this one down. And I'll do the same thing in the middle here, okay? You can see it. Again, I'm just going to take that half a head of cabbage, and I'm just going to cut like 1/2 inch cuts in it, thusly. I'll turn that over flat to make it flat again. And I'm going to cut that one, and I got it all about the same consistency in pieces, okay? I'm going to add these pieces to my bacon over here, and I'll break stick and stock, salt and pepper in there, which is all I'm going to use for seasoning. Just to taste. Down that, because I'm going to cover this. And I'll come back to it in a little bit, and I'm stirring up here from the bottom, because it's cooking on the bottom, of course. And I'm not going to overcook this cabbage. I want it to be al dente. And I always do that to my vegetables, and you should do that to yours as well, and not overcook it. So I'm going to cover this. I'm going to put it on medium high, so I want it to start cooking pretty fast. So I'll get it on medium high, and I'll let it do its thing here. And it's probably going to take about 15 minutes, 20 at the most, I guess. That's all I'll cook it. So next time you see it, it should be done. But I'm going to continually stir it from the bottom as it's cooking. And again, my heat's on medium-high. This cabbage is already done. I've only been cooking for about, 7 minutes or so. I hope you can see that. It is al dente. And I'm taking it off right now because, as I indicated, it's still cooking as I'm talking to you, okay? Got my little flecks of bacon in there. I think you can see this as well. I'm going to put it in a dish here. There's lots of liquid in the bottom. You have to worry about not having enough liquid or that it's dry. So I'm just going to put it in here. And again, it's actually still cooking. So there you have it. And that's that head of cabbage that was all ugly, and now it's pretty. And it's certainly pretty tasty as well. And I got a little bit of liquid in there that I'm going to pour on here too. And all I added to this, again, there's my liquid. All I added to this was that salt and pepper, and those bacon ends and pieces, and about 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Here's the finished product, and again, it looks really, really good. And it's really, really tasty, really tasty. Hi there. Thank you for watching my YouTube video, Cooking with Pouncy. And before you leave, please hit the subscribe button, and please share this video with others.